Guys and girls, the day is here. Finally get to, well, the day, I should say the day, but it's probably going to be about a week process for me doing this, but it's time to do some airbags. So today's mission is to get the diff more or less sitting on the chassis. So that's going to consist of taking about 3 leaves out of the pack, flipping the leaves over, and then I've also bought, just in case, 2-inch lowering blocks so that I can push the diff up that little bit further if it's not going to get it there. Because then from there, once I can get it sitting there, I think the best option is going to be to take the tub off, which is going to be a bit of a mission, but I think we'll do the airbags on the ground, get them all set up, get them pumped up, and then put it back on the hoist and put the tub back on and stuff. So yeah, I think that's going to be about a week process. And then my drop spindles, I heard back from Air Ride and they said it's probably looking like it's going to be a few weeks. So I don't know whether that's them saying that it's going to be 2 to 3 weeks or whether that's the common retail lie and it's going to be 2 to 3 months. So I've got no idea how long it's going to take to get my front drop spindles, but at least if we can get the back lowered and get it looking cool, we're more or less halfway there. Yeah, I'm super excited about it. I guess, you know, at least with the front being stock and the back, once we bag it, yeah, she's going to be like, boop, which would be kind of cool. So I guess just enjoy that for a little bit. But my trap at the moment is I'm going to be pulling this car down to the point that it's not going to drive for the next week. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to get home later. But I'm pretty sure Deacon is going to come visit me, so hopefully he can give me a lift. But we'll figure that out. That's future Remi's problem. But anyway, I'm yeah, super excited to get into this, so I guess let's just rip into it.
Feels right when it's wrong. I've stayed here too long, but something brings me back to you. I swear we belong. I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you. Back to you, 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 you. Right when it's wrong, I've stayed here too long, but something brings me back to you. I swear we belong. I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you. Back to you, 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 you.
I'll confirm with you once I've got it all boxed up.
Yeah, cool, awesome, man. Well, yeah, I'll pay ID you this money now, so you've got it. And then just as soon as you can, just let me know about the. Well, I'll have to wait till I get the boxing information to ring him because I want to know that. Yeah, no, it's all good. I'll pay you. And then just, yeah, as soon as you can, just let me know the address and the box stuff, and I'll ring him up and book it in.
No problems, mate.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Good.
Legend.
No worries.
Alrighty.
See you soon.
Cheers. Catch ya. Bye.
Oh no, feeling like I'm lost. All I want is your love. Why you make me feel nice? I feel almost right. You take me super high. Ain't no one like you. There's no life without you. Ain't no one like you. There's no life without you. Ain't no one like you. There's no life without you. Ain't no one like you.
Yep, you're clear.
putaste.
Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop Never stop Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming.
Have a look at the air on it. So it's like midnight. Been working on the mini truck for like, I don't know, 14 hours ish. Nearly got the bags done. It's just got to finish off the wiring and the inside and stuff. I'm just too tired. I just burnt the shit out of my hand. So I thought I'd better call it a night. I'm pretty tired. Hand's starting to hurt. Anyway, tomorrow's another day. We'll finish these bags off. Night. Best thing about building cars is making them look all pretty, getting everything perfect and sitting exactly how you want it, wiring it all up, making sure it all works, and then pulling it all back apart so you can paint the frame. Hey?